A very good morning, children. Today in Maths, let's continue with our topic numbers up to 1000. So hope what was taught to you in our previous class are all clear to you. Now let's move on to today's topic. We have ascending and descending order. So we have already learned ascending and descending order in our previous chapters. So let's have a look once again on this. Let's look at these numbers. We have 45, 46, 47, 48. Look at these numbers. The number 46 is greater than 45. The number 47 is greater than 46 and the number 48 is greater than 47. So we can say that the smallest number in these numbers is 45. And which is the biggest number? The number 48 is the biggest number. Now we can say that these numbers are arranged in the increasing order. You can see 45, 46, 47, 48. The numbers are increasing. So these numbers are arranged from the smallest to the largest. Let's have a look at these numbers. What is it? 115, 120, 135, 154. Let's look at the first number. It is 115. What about the second number? It's 120. And we know 120 is greater than 115. The number 135 is greater than 120. And the last number, that is 154, is greater than 135. So here also we can say that the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the largest. So that is, these numbers are going in the increasing order. So when the numbers are going in an increasing order, we can say that it is going in the ascending order. So in the ascending order, we always have to write the smallest number first and then the largest number last. Now let's look at these numbers. We have 154, 210, 140 and 354. So you can see that this is a 3-digit number. We have ones, tens and 100 in every number. So we have a 3-digit number. And now we have to arrange it in an ascending order. So when you get such a number, how can you arrange it? See, if the numbers have equal number of digits, then the numbers whose first digit is more is bigger. So we have a 3-digit number. Let's look at this. 154, 210, 140, 354. All the numbers are 3-digit numbers. We have ones, tens and hundreds in all these numbers. So when such a number is given, how can we arrange it in the ascending order? So we have to look at the first digit, that is the hundreds place. So look at the number 154. We have 1 in the place of 100. So we can say it is 100. In the number 210, we have 2 hundreds. In the number 140, we have 100 and in the number 354, we have 3 in the place of 100. So we can say that it is 300. So now in the ascending order, we have to arrange the smallest number first. Now we have 154 and 140 with the hundreds place 1. When you get such a case, what you have to do? You have to move on to the next place. So look at the last digits. In the number 154, we have 54 in the last place. In the number 210, we have 10. In the number 140, we have 40. And in the number 354, we have 54. With the hundreds place, we have two numbers, 154 and 140. So then we need to take the next digits. That is the second place. So in the number 154, we have 54 and in the number 140, we have 40. So which is the smallest number? It is 140. So we have to write 140 because that is the smallest number and in these numbers. So in these numbers, we know that the number 140 is the smallest. So we have to write 140 first and then the greater number is 154. After that, we have 210 and then 354. So now we can say that these numbers are arranged in the ascending order, that is from the smallest to the largest. Let's have a look at this number. We have 215, 132, 413 and 295. So when we get these numbers, what we have to do? First, let's look at the first digits. all are 3-digit numbers. So let's look at the place value of hundreds. So in the number 215, we have 2 hundreds. In the number 132, we have 100. Number 413, it is 400, and in the number 295, it is 200. So we can say the number 132, that is the smallest number. After that, we have two numbers with 200 in place. We have 215 and 295. Now we have to find out which number is smaller in 215 and 295. So what we have to do? We have to go to the next digit. That is, in 215, we have 15, and in the number 295, we have 95. So which is smaller? Is 15 smaller or 95 smaller? Yes, it is 15. So 215 is smaller than 295. So first we can write 132, then 215, 295, and the last number 413. So now we have arranged it in 132, 215, 295 and 413, and now these numbers are arranged in the ascending order. So now you have an activity. You can take down your notebook and write the question. So pause the video, write down the question. Arrange in ascending order. You have two questions. The first question, 416, 275, 182 and 436. Second question, 654, 543, 395 and 565. So pause the video, take down the questions and arrange these digits in the ascending order. So hope you have done it. Now let's check the answers. The first one, the answer is 182, 275, 416 and 436. And the second, the answer is 395, 543, 565 and 654. So hope your answers are correct. Now let's learn descending order. Let's have a look at these numbers. We have 165, 154, 140 and 124. So look at these numbers. The first number is 165 and after that comes 154. So which number is greater? Is 154 greater or 165? Yes, 165 is greater and 154 is smaller than 165. And look at the last number. We have 124 and 124 is the smallest among these numbers. So we can say that these numbers are arranged from the largest to the smallest. So when we arrange the numbers from the largest to the smallest, we say that it is in the decreasing order or descending order. So look at these numbers, 358, 321, 267 and 210. The first number, that is 358, is the largest number among these numbers. So we can say that these numbers are arranged in the descending order. Look at these numbers. We have 114, 148, 253 and 329. Now we have to arrange these numbers in the descending order. So for descending number, the largest number has to come first. So look at these numbers. These are all 3-digit numbers and let's look at the hundreds place. In the number 114, we have 1 in the hundreds place. Look at the number 148. Again, we have 1 in the hundreds place. Look at the number 253. Which number comes in the hundreds place? It is 2. And look at the number 329. We have 3 in the hundreds place. So when we arrange numbers in the descending order, the largest number has to come first. So which is the largest number? It is 329. And then we have 114, 148 and 253. So which is the next largest number after 329? We have in 329 300s. After that we have 200. So the next number which has to be arranged is 253. Now let's look at the next numbers. We have 114, 148. Both the numbers are 1 in the hundreds place. So now what we have to do? We need to check the next numbers. In the number 114, we have 14, and in the number 148, we have 48. So which is greater? Is it 114 or 148? 148 is greater. So now we can arrange these numbers like 329, 253, 148 and 114, and we can say that these numbers are arranged in the descending order. Here again you have an activity. Arrange the numbers in descending order. So take down your notebook and write the questions. The first one, 481, 498, 548 and 328. And the second question, 158, 354, 254 and 458. So pause the video and take down the questions and you can write the answers. Hope you have done it. Let's check the answers. The first one, it is 548, 498, 481 and 328. And the second one, we have 458, 354, 254 and 158. So in your textbook, we have the practice coach, page number 89. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. The question is the A, 183, 496, 245 and 733. And question number B, 458, 798, 999 and 617. So for ascending order, we have to arrange from the smallest to the largest. So write down the question in your notebook and it's homework for you to do. And look at the second one. We have arrange the following numbers in descending order. A, 696, 728, 986 and 255. Question B, 106, 731, 989 and 382. So these two questions are homework for you to do. Again we have max around us, page number 89 itself. You can see numbers on your school bus, on your parents' vehicle, calendars, wall clocks, computers, almost everywhere. Write down the last 3 digits of the mobile numbers of any 2 family members. Observe the numbers and find out the following. So what you have to do, wherever you look, you can see numbers on clock, calendar, on vehicles. So what you have to do, you can write down the last 3 digit numbers of any of your 2 family members. And then observe the following. How many digits are even and how many digits are odd in both the numbers? Which number is the biggest and which number is the smallest? So what you have to do is to find out the mobile number of your family members and take the last 3 digits of it and then find out how many digits are even and how many digits are odd. And also you have to find out which number is the biggest and which number is the smallest. Even number and odd number we have already learnt in our previous chapter. So let's have a look at it once again. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers, when comes in the ones place, we can say that the number is even number. So look at the number 122. In the number 122, 2 comes in the ones place. So we can say the number 122 is an even number. And look at the number 456. Here 6 comes in the ones place and we know that the number 456 is an even number. And look at 300. Look at the ones place, we have 0 in the ones place. So that we can say that the number 300 is an even number. And look at the number 898. We have 8 here in the ones position. So we can say the number 898 is an even number. Let's have a look at the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. When come in the ones position, we can say that the number is an even number. So in the number 127, we have 7 in the ones place. So we can say that the number 127 is an odd number. 453, 3 comes in the ones place. So we can say that for number 453 is an odd number. 309, 9 comes in the ones position. So we can say that 309 is an odd number. In the number 777, here 7, the last digit that comes in the ones place is 7. So we can say the number 777 is an odd number. 145, the number 5 comes in the ones place. So we can say 145 is an odd number. So that's all for today. Hope you understood ascending and descending order and do all the exercises that was mentioned. We'll be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.